Power Virtual Agents is really about empowering your users to build solutions. Some of the examples that we can talk about here on the right-hand side: quickly automate frequently asked questions. This is the number one easiest thing to do, is to have a frequently asked questions list. Maybe you have one in your company already. Power Virtual Agents allows you to import that list. You just put in the URL, it will go out and crawl this list and create the topics for you. So it's a quick and easy way to get some kind of like fixed web page or fixed list into Power Virtual Agents so your chatbot can handle commonly asked questions. Maybe we want to give out some crisis information specific around COVID-19 within your company, or tracking information that you want the bot to answer for you. If you're a retail store, you can have your bot do a couple things like tell customers about store hours, do order tracking, assist customers with returns or return processing. You can have your bot integrate to those back-end systems and make it seamless approach. Finance departments help with, maybe you have a frequently asked questions or just general questions about filing expense reports. There's a procedure that needs to take place. You can program that into your bot to help your employees with their expense reports. In the human resources world, maybe updating employee benefits. You can have the bot communicate with employees to update back-end systems. Again, questions about pay stubs, payroll, that kind of thing, remote work FAQs. And another great scenario would be a help desk system. So having a bot that you can go talk to, submit a help desk request. Instead of calling in a number, you can just type it in what your problem is. The bot can ask you a number of questions, collect some data, and report that into a system. Or even if the bot's not performing correctly, you can have it actually escalate to a live agent in the bot flow.